Hey guys, so today we are going to be installing our rigid decal overlay, and this is actually for the 360 series rigid cover, but the installation process will be similar for the other rigid covers styles that we have. So check out our other listings if you need a different style cover than the 360 series. 360 series is the 4-inch, this is what it looks like from the factory with the white, and we have a few different colors. We have black, orange, blue, red, yellow, silver, and a lime green. And so I'm going to show you here when you get these in the mail. Just go over it with the squeegee just to make sure that transfer tape is on there really good. And then I'm going to show you guys here how to peel this back, because sometimes these little stickers, they like to stick to that backing. So when you do it, make sure you're kind of picking it up with the transfer tape, because some of the letters may not come off smooth. So just peel back at an angle, make sure that it picks it up on the transfer tape, and just go up and down if there's any areas like that part of the G there being a little tricky. You can see you just gotta peel it back, lift up with the transfer tape. As you can see, the cutter cut it a little deep on that last eye, so we can try it at different angles. I'm going up there at the top, and there it is, and we got it off. So there that is. And now I left enough room for your fingers to be on the transfer tape on each end. And then you just want to take your time here and get it really lined up. There's just enough overlay there. If you get it just right, it'll cover up all the letters. So just take your time, make sure you get it right where you want it before you let it lay down. As you see, it can take some patience here. It might even help if you use some double-sided tape or something to keep the cover in place, because you can see it's moving around on me. I didn't like where that eye, the second eye, was lining up. Okay, right there, guys. Like I said, patience. And if you have the felt one, is nice, so you don't scratch up the cover. If you don't, the included credit card squeegee that we send out with these, just make sure you don't go off the transfer tape when you do it. Just make sure that's on there nice and good, like so. And then we're just going to peel that back. And there it is, guys. Lime green rigid lettering overlay. I think they look pretty cool, so if you're interested, check the description in the YouTube video here down below, and we'll have links to these in our sticker store. So